and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the rooms ain't no cloud, we can do it anyhow. You know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll never sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bunks and ranks come from mash up the place.
Hello folks, welcome to another Taste Buds, and today the wifey is showing you how she goes about peeling her papaya. Now the papaya fruit is one of the most underestimated fruits, I think, on the tropical scale of fruits. Many persons don't really look into the benefits of the papaya fruit, and so it's very important that we consume papaya on a daily basis as much as possible. Now papaya has a very thin outer skin, and it is green skin when the papaya is green, and of course it changes to a bright yellowy orange when the papaya is ripe. And you're gonna go about peeling the skin because the skin is relatively inedible. And the papaya has a bright orange inside flesh, and it's soft, and it's very sweet and delicious. Now, for a lot of people who don't know, the papaya actually helps with skin blemishes and stuff like that. So if you're peeling your papaya, for instance, you can take the skin and you can rub it on your face and use it as a face mask, or if you have any places on your body that has blemishes or scars, you can rub the papaya skin on those areas, and it helps to alleviate it because of an enzyme in the papaya that is called papain. Now, these are just some research that I did on Google, and of course the information is available for anybody at all who wants it to get it. So once you have gone ahead and peel all of your skin, and please, you have to remember, peel as close to the skin as possible. You don't want to take too much of a chunk out of the papaya. The next step is that you're gonna cut your papaya in two and basically cut it in half to remove the seeds or pits that comes in the papaya. Now, another thing that you need to know about these seeds, they almost look like black peppercorn, is that they are edible, but not in a huge amount at any given time. It is said that the seeds aids in removing parasitic bacteria from your stomach, and so if you remove these seeds, you can blend them up in a smoothie. You can have them whole. If you can stand to crunch on them, you can, but a lot of people don't really eat the papaya seeds, but it is edible. And from time to time, when the wifey is making smoothies and she has papaya seeds on hand, she will dump a couple in it, and it does help to remove parasitic bacteria or any such thing from your stomach. And so remember that the next time that you are gonna be making papaya or eating papaya. Another thing about papaya is papaya also has 3 times the daily requirement of vitamin C. A lot of people don't know this, and papaya it's very good for digestion. It aids in digestion because of the same enzyme called papain. And of course, guys, you can check this out for yourself on Google. And so it's recommended that if you can, or if you're in the position where you can, eats papaya once per day or twice per day. Yeah, you can have it any time of day, middle of the night, morning or evening. That's just how good the papaya is. So as you can see, the wifey is basically cutting the papaya on the bias, and we just do it. You cut it how you want it. If you want to cut it like a steak in round, you can cut it. If you want to cut it in quarters, you can cut it. It's always nice to cut it in a way that you can properly present it if you're gonna have it as a fruit or an appetizer or anything like that. Normally what we would do is we will cut our papayas and load it up into plastic containers and put it in the fridge so that we have it for an anytime snack. And another thing I need to tell you about papaya, once it's in the fridge, you will have a gelatinous liquid that comes from the papaya. And if you have it in the fridge for more than a day or two, you will see that liquid start to form in the bottom of your container. That is good liquid. So don't sleep on papaya, guys. Here the wifey just present it on the plate for you guys to see. Look for the ripe ones, the ones without blemish, the ones that are firm but tender to touch. And you can get your papayas in most tropical stores, Latin stores, Caribbean stores for good prices. And of course, check when it's papaya season so that you get it in the season. Hey, this has been Yardie Belly TV, Taste Buds. The wife is just showing you how she goes about cutting papaya. Like, share, subscribe. Remember to tell your friends, big up yourself, and look out for the next one. Yardie Belly TV. Peace out.